welcome to Cooking with Mammy. Now we're gonna make some garlic bread that's not frozen garlic bread because I don't care for the frozen. We take butter. I use butter with canola oil. I use butter with canola oil, and I also use whipped salted butter. The butter stuff. Yep, don't press it. Don't press it. Just lay it out. Mo's over there laying out the other garlic bread. Tell him, hey, tell him what you're doing, Momo. Just having a little bit of hard time. Having a little bit of hard time getting it off there. Oh, goodness. Sonny. Yeah, you're gonna have to get a knife, get a butter knife that you can. There you go. You're doing good, Mo. But then I'm gonna just do 2 pieces just so I can show you. I like them buttered good. Don't whine. We're on live, Mo. Or on recording. But I butter it real good. Like try to butter, you know, all the edges and all the good things. Like that. I mean, where it's really buttered. And then I take garlic salt, and I always use salt for the bread, and just salt it. Now this you can do as heavy or as little as you want. Now I turn it over and do it because I'm going to turn my bread over so it can get brown on both sides. But that's how simple and easy we do it. Now here's Mo. Got hers out. Let me tell them what you got. No, we don't eat it yet. Look, your people are watching. Tell them what you're doing. Don't eat it yet. We got to cook it.
Oh, my God, you said all the time.
Mo.
Not yet.
Oh, well. She's not going to tell you. She's not going to tell you what she's done. She's not going to tell you. But I'm going to get my bread done. We'll be eating shortly. We'll come back and do a pre-record with the spaghetti when it gets done, okay? Hey, guys, I was going to show you. This Sara Lee artisan bread, artisano, whatever, we used that today because we couldn't find any Texas toast. If you can find Texas toast or any of the thick bread, you just want the thicker pieces to make your own garlic bread. At least that's what I do. All right, love you.